Flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. Flooding may occur as an overflow of water from water bodies such as a river, lake, or ocean. It may occur due to an accumulation of rainwater on saturated ground in an area flood. Flooding can lead to damage to property, such as long-term displacement of residents. Flooding also has a range of impacts on the environment, including wildlife habitats can be destroyed by floodwater, contaminated floodwater can pollute rivers and habitats, riverbank and natural life can be eliminated as rivers reach bankful capacity, and plants that survive the initial flood may die due to being inundated with water.
So there are a few ways to prevent and make our earth secure. One of them are reduce, reuse and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Next, volunteer. Volunteer for cleanup in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed too. Then, educate. When you further your own education, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources.
Further, there should be an efficient system for storing excessive water due to heavy rain. One of the most important steps is to strengthen the drainage system, and the dams must be constructed strongly. The government need to choose engineers carefully and make sure they have all the knowledge and information to build the dams. They also should not underestimate the quality of materials used to build dams, because the use of cheap and second-hand materials causes dams to break easily.
How to solve flood disaster? First of all, reforestation of plants, especially with type of plants and trees that can absorb water quickly. Reproduce and provide open land to green land as a water absorption site. And we should stop building high and sophisticated buildings that will cause the earth more difficult to withstand the burden, and the resistance surface is getting down. Avoid illegal logging, cutting trees on the riverbank, as tree function to absorb water to prevent flood. And most importantly, we need to stop pollute the river with garbage or turn them into a garbage dump.
In conclusion, flood can cause harmful effects such as loss of property, death of living things like animals and humans. In the event of flood, we need to take precautions to stay safe. In short, we cannot prevent natural causes like rain and the melting of glaciers. However, we can stop the man-made causes like breaking of dams, poor drainage system, installing warning system, and more. We should take inspiration for countries that never experience floods despite having heavy rainfall for most time of the year.